Creating folders in 6 different ways on Windows computer. Number 1. Right-click on the desktop, go to the New and then click on the folder option. Enter the folder name and hit Enter on the keyboard. Number 2. Push the Ctrl Shift and N on the keyboard. Type the name of the folder and hit Enter. Number 3. Create a new file. Select Save As. Right-click and select New Folder. Type the name folder and hit Enter. Number 4. Open the command prompt. Set the path where you wish to create the folder. Type mkdir space folder name and hit Enter. Number 5. Open the File Explorer, go to the Home tab, click on the new folder, type the name of the folder and hit Enter. Number 6. Open the command prompt, set the path where you wish to create the folder, type md space folder name within the quotes and hit Enter. Congratulations, you have learned to create folder in different ways. Our next video is on different ways to reset Windows password. So please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. For more interesting videos, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.